What's good, y'all? It's your boy IK Lips. I'm down 100 pounds, lost it in a year. Been bulking and cutting for the past 3. I'm going to get straight to the point, how to use the MyFitnessPal app. So go ahead and lock in. I'm going to give you guys a full-on breakdown. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And also make sure that you actually leave any questions. I'm going to answer all of them. Lock in. Let's get right to it.
Niggas get high if the lines I spit and I sniff. If you want smoke, then I got a big fast spliff. I'm lit like matches. Count that green, I ain't talking about grasses. I'm king and I'm winning. I steady step in the city. I'm finna run up a million. Show them niggas I'm with it. You know I don't let the break.
All right, y'all. So before I go into how to use this app, right? The most important thing when it comes to losing weight, the only way you can do it is you have to be in a caloric deficit. You have to burn more calories than you consume. You need to make sure that you're tracking your calories. So you're going to use the MyFitnessPal app. It's free. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. But to get your caloric maintenance or deficit, you need to make sure you go to calorie.net, put in your height, age, and weight. It's going to tell you exactly what your caloric deficit is. And I recommend losing a pound per week, not 3 pounds, not 5 pounds, so that way you can actually retain as much muscle as possible on your cut. So let's lock in, let's do this, right? So the first thing, I'm going to start the screen record. Okay, so we're live. All right. Okay, so right now we are looking at breakfast, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press add food to add food. We're in the diary section of the app. Okay, so you see all the stuff that I've added before. It's gonna show all the history. Here's some of the stuff that I've added, right? So I'm gonna add something. Let's say I wanna add an egg, right, for my breakfast. That's a breakfast food. So I'm gonna type in EGG. And see right there, it pops up with some options. It shows you your recipes, and I'm gonna get into that later on how to make a recipe, but it shows you your recipe that has eggs in it, right? And the words EGG, so literally just one egg. But let's say I never logged an egg before because it's my first time using the app. I'm gonna act like it's my first time using the app. I'm gonna just press egg and search it. And it gives you options, right? It gives you 72 calorie egg, egg white, boiled egg, all that stuff. Show more results, it'll show you more options. So you have no excuse not to track your calories, guys. Now, let's say I want to do something let's say, what's the breakfast thing? Protein pancakes. Kodiak protein pancakes. I'm just gonna type in Kodiak. Okay, look at that. It's already showing me those suggestions, and then boom, pancakes. And then, hey, you wanna know what the macros are, right? The most important part, click on the item, and then boom, you have the macros right there for you. So look at that. It has 5 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 38.6 grams of carbs. Now these are not the right ones that I do. So here, let me see if I can find the one that I actually do. The protein pancakes. There we go. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I do. These are the protein pancakes I get. 14 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, 190 calories. And see the serving size? It says this is for 3 flapjacks, whatever. So if you want to click on serving size, oh, sorry, some of this stuff's popping up. But if you want to click on serving size, you can actually customize it. So let's say you only had one of the flapjacks or protein pancakes. You can just press 1. Then look at that. It inputs the new calories and macros for you. Now, let's get into something that you actually have to measure. And yes, you do have to measure the protein pancake mix if you get the powder, but sometimes you can get the pancakes in full. But let's do something a little more measurable, like egg whites. Okay, so we go to egg whites, right? So notice how it says 1 serving, and that's 10 grams of protein, right? So we go to 1 serving. Oh, let's see. Where is it? Serving size, number of servings. All right, so I'm gonna add this food in here. So this is how I just logged my food. I logged the egg whites, but now we're gonna go ahead and click on it, and we're gonna make sure that we edit it. As you guys know, I'm down 100 pounds. I lost 100 pounds in 1 year. And one of the key things that helped me do that is meal prepping. Now, if you feel like you don't know how to cook or if you hate cooking, you don't have to, y'all. You can simply use Flex Pro Meals. What is that? Flex Pro Meals is a healthy meal prepping service that sends you high protein meals straight to your door in less than 48 hours. I got all these meals right here in less than 2 days, y'all. Look at this, look at this. And it shows you the macros of every meal, the different varieties they have, y'all. This is my personal favorite, Southwest chicken and rice. And I'm gonna help y'all out because you can use my code IKLIFTS for 40% off your order. Yes, 40% off your order. That's nearly 50% off. So if you guys are trying to eat healthy and you're struggling to meal prep, simply just hit the link in my bio and use my code IKLIFTS for 40% off. And let's get right back into the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to add the food into your library. Okay, so we go to add food for breakfast. So let's just try to add an egg. So we're gonna go back to an egg, look at the macros. Yep, look at all that. 1 egg, whoa, hold up, that's not right. That's 4 eggs. So we're gonna search the egg, 72 calories. So we're gonna click on that. And we're gonna press add, little check mark at the top right, and then boom, it's in our macronutrients. Now to check how many calories we're at for the day, you're gonna go and hover up to the top. You see where it says food? We're at 72 calories. That's gonna be what the calories are. Notice how it has a goal for me that I put in there. That's for my maintenance. I'm in maintenance. I lost 100 pounds in a year, but bulking and cutting for the past 3, so I don't need to be in a deficit. I'm in maintenance. I'm trying to maintain what I'm at. And I'm 6'4", and I get about 13K steps a day or so. That's why I'm eating so much, okay? So don't go home and watch this video and go like, oh, IK's eating 3,600 calories. That means I need to do that. No, I didn't eat that much when I lost the weight. You get to eat more when you're in maintenance. So lock in with the deficit so you can eat more later on, okay? So we added the food. Now we know how to look at how many calories we have and all that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to input a recipe, okay? Because you don't want to get into this habit of logging every little thing you have to do or add. You want to add multiple at once. You want to mass add your macros, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go to more. Okay, and we're going to go to. All right, so we're going to go to add food. Let's just go to lunch. For one-on-one personalized coaching for your dream physique to build muscle and lose fat, go ahead and simply hit the link in my bio for my coaching application. After you fill it out, I'll be reaching out so we can have a quick phone call going over how we're going to reach those goals. And that way you can have a transformation like these and also like the way I did, losing 100 pounds in a year. Walk in, and thanks for watching. Okay, so to add the recipe, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to add food, let's just say lunch. Now, you see at the very top, it says My Recipes. It's the third one on the top. I'm gonna click on that. Now I'm gonna press Create a Recipe. Now, let's just say we're doing, let's say it's ground beef with, no, you know what, chicken rice, staple. So let's say chicken and rice, YouTube. Okay, 1 serving. Unless you're gonna eat for 10 people like I do on a cheat day. Anyways, okay, so add ingredients. So we're gonna add our ingredients. So what do we need? We need chicken, of course. So I'm gonna type in chicken and I'm gonna search it. Holy, I hope this ad stuff that's popping up doesn't mess with the video. Okay, so chicken breast. Let's just say it's rotisserie chicken breast, okay? Let's look at the macros. We got 10 grams of fat. How many grams of protein? Am I blind versus the protein? Okay, 34 grams of protein. Okay, cool. We're gonna add that. That's 1 chicken breast. Now let's get some rice in there. So my favorite kind of rice is jasmine rice. So I'm just gonna put jasmine rice. Jasmine rice. Okay, so we got a cup of cooked jasmine rice. Let's add that in there. Okay. Now, you know what? Let's get some fiber in there. Okay. Let's get some fiber. So let's add some broccoli, man. Even though I don't do this on my own, if I'm being honest. I honestly just get my greens through Super Greens, honestly. Just being real with y'all. So we're just gonna add some broccoli, low calories, high fiber, and we're gonna just press the little arrow button at the top right. And then look, so it's gonna show us all the macronutrients. Look at the macros, y'all, not too bad. 10 grams of fat, how many grams of protein? 40 grams of protein. That is a terrific meal, if you ask me. High protein, lower on the fat side, and let's see the carb source. 50 grams of carbs. Now, before someone that is on keto or hates carbs in seasons and go, oh, carbs are gonna make you fat. No, carbs do not make you fat. You need the carbs as an energy source so you can progressive overload and train hard in the gym and build more muscle, ensuring that you can burn fat easier and you can actually build muscle. Now, the reason why people think carbs are so bad for you is because they eat carbs, but then they don't train, they're not active, they're just very sedentary, and then they gain all this belly fat and weight, and they're like, oh, carbs make you fat. No, they don't. I ate a bunch of carbs losing weight, and I eat over 300 grams of carbs today, and I'm not fat. At least I don't think so. So that's a myth, man. Okay, let's log back in on this part. So we have the recipe, right? We have it all good to go. It showed us the macronutrients. So now I'm gonna press save and log it. Then I'm gonna press the little check mark at the top right. Now look at that, it's there. Now, quiz time or review time, whatever. How many macros are we at for the day so far? 540, look at that. Top, look at the very top where it says food. We're at 540 calories. We had 1 egg for breakfast. We didn't actually do that. Never have just said 1 egg for breakfast. You're gonna starve yourself. Then for lunch, we had a good quality lunch, about 468 calories, and we had 41 grams of protein. It shows you all the macronutrients on the little column. So yeah, that is how you use it. That's how you use the app. Now let's say I went to a restaurant, because you guys are gonna go like, oh, where do I go to a restaurant? Okay, cool. So let's go to dinner. Let's go to a restaurant for dinner. You know what? Let's go to Cheesecake Factory. So we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory and we're gonna get some food there. Cheesecake Factory. And then we're gonna get the Jamaican. Okay, here. Let me just type in shrimp. Because my favorite thing to get there is the Jamaican black pepper shrimp. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, they have the menu here. Okay. So let's try and find our, we don't want the desserts, bro. We want the healthy stuff. Where is it? Or I can search. Okay, shrimp. Jamaican black pepper chicken and shrimp. Look at that. Wait, no, it's the Jamaican black pepper shrimp. That's what it is. Bro, why does it not have the macros? Okay, so this is what I'd get on a cheat day. I could have sworn it had the protein and fat here. But yes, a lot of carbs, but also when you're doing a cheat day or cheat meal, whatever, make sure you're staying within your calories. Since I'm in maintenance, I do get to pig out more, right? So 1,250 calories. It's weight loss is as simple as calories in and calories out. So I'm gonna add this. So I'm tracking my stuff even on a cheat day. Let's just say this is a cheat day. So I just showed you how to search it up for a restaurant. You went to the menu and everything. 1,250 calories and 137 grams of carbs for a Cheesecake Factory. So this is like a full day right here. 1,790 calories. I would never recommend someone eat this little, but this is just a little demo how the app works. Now let's say you get something like Flex Pro Meals, my sponsorship, right? So Flex Pro Meals, you can get these meal preps that come ready to go, frozen, and you can store them. So if you don't feel like cooking, you can use it. Use my code IKLIVS for 40% off your order. Yes, 40%. So look at this right here. It shows me the macros, right? So the macros right now, this is 55 grams of protein and only 550 calories, right? So I'm gonna go to the food section of MyFitnessPal. So let's go back. So we're gonna go to, let's just say we're gonna add this to our dinner because we're still gonna be within our calories, right? So I'm gonna go to My Foods. I'm gonna press Create Food. And then I'm gonna go ahead and call this, what was this called? This is the beef stroganoff. So beef stroganoff. Flex Pro Meals. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 serving. Just 1. Next. Enter description. Food. I don't know, bro. Enter the serving, bro. All right, it's just 1, bro. Okay, whatever. Oh my, okay, all right, let's just say 3 cups. 3. Bro. Oh my goodness, I'm about to crash out. All right, 3 cups. Boom. All right, so calories. It's 550 calories. Okay, the fat grams. It's at 16. These are pretty good macros. Okay, now let's go to carbs. 63. And then we're gonna go to protein, the most important one. We need 1 gram of protein per body weight to build muscle. Free game. Since you made it this far, I might as well tell you. All right, so now 55 grams of protein. Did I put that in there? I didn't, so I'm gonna put that in there now. Okay, so we got all the important stuff in there. So then create food, check mark. Your diary is more accurate when you add nutrient details. No thanks, I already added some stuff. Boom. Okay, so we see, look at that right there, the food. We added our custom thing, the beef stroganoff. The beef stroganoff from Flex Pro Meals, we added that in there. I lost 100 pounds in a year, so people are always asking me what supplements I take. I'm going to tell you exactly which one. Most important one, creatine monohydrate. Studies have backed up this is the most safe supplement you can take, okay? What it does is it helps you build lean muscle mass. It helps you absorb more water into your muscles. So you need to make sure you're drinking at least a gallon of water every day. Hydrate or this will not work. It's also gonna help with muscle recovery and it will also help with brain health, okay? Protein powder, simple. What it does, helps you hit your protein goals. My favorite flavor, vanilla bean for Evogen Nutrition. This hits different. The most recent one that I started taking is liquid carnitine, okay? What this does is it helps turn your fat into an energy source and helps you burn fat easier, and it will also help you minimize fat gain as you gain muscle mass and gain weight. I've actually gained about 4 pounds in the past month taking this, and I've not gained much fat. I still have abs. Okay, I weigh 210 right now. This is the biggest I've been at 210 and the leanest, okay? And it's the Sour Patch Kid flavor. That's the one I like. So if you need protein supplements, Evogen Nutrition is the way to go. They have a bunch of supplements and I stand by them. I use them on a daily basis. Make sure to use my discount code IKLIFTS for 10% off your order at checkout. And let's get right back to the video. Now that's how you add a custom meal. Now look at this, let's look at the day. 2,340 calories, okay? Because we look at the top food part. Now let's go ahead and look at the next part. So to look at everything together, guys, you're gonna click on the very top. So I just clicked on it and it pulls up all your stuff. So today we hit 102 grams of protein, 251 grams of carbs, and we had 32 grams of fat for the day, okay? So that was a full day right there, right? So that's pretty much how I use the app. I mean, I just showed you how to make recipes. I just showed you how to add custom food. And I just showed you how to track, search stuff. So if you watch this full video, there's no reason why you should not know how to use the MyFitnessPal app. You simply just did not pay attention. So lock in, okay? And also if you have any questions, just simply comment down below. I'm gonna answer every single question, like I always do. And make sure you share this with someone who's struggling on their diet. Hold each other accountable. Summer's right around the corner. We gotta lock in and track our calories. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I got straight to the point. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Lock in. For exclusive fitness content, make sure to check out my Patreon that's linked in my bio or in the description. You can select the tier you like the most. Well, one of the tiers, you actually get access to my personal phone number and weekly video calls where I can answer your personal questions and help you reach those goals.
Niggas get high if the lines I spit and I sniff. If you want smoke, then I got a big fast spliff. I'm lit like matches, counting that green, I ain't talking about grasses. I'm king and I'm winning, I steady step in the city. I'm finna run up a million, show them niggas I'm with it. You know I don't like to brag, my nigga, please do.